How to write an experimental report. Have you ever wondered how to effectively communicate the findings of your scientific experiments? Writing an experimental report is essential for sharing your work clearly and logically. Let's break down the steps to help you create a well-structured report that will impress your teachers and peers. First, you need a title. This should be concise and directly related to your experiment. For example, if you studied how light affects plant growth, your title could be The Effect of Light on Plant Growth. A clear title sets the stage for your report. Next, include an abstract. This is a brief summary of your entire experiment, usually just one paragraph. It should cover the purpose of your experiment, what you aim to find, how you conducted it, and what you discovered. This section allows readers to grasp the essence of your work quickly. Then, move on to the introduction. Here, explain the background of your experiment. Discuss the scientific question you are addressing and why it matters. Include a review of any relevant studies that relate to your topic. Conclude this section with your hypothesis, which is your prediction of what you think will happen during the experiment. The method section is where you detail the materials and procedures used. Be specific about the materials you needed and the steps you took. This part should be clear enough for someone else to replicate your experiment. Don't forget to mention the variables. The independent variable is what you change, the dependent variable is what you measure, and controlled variables are what you keep the same throughout the experiment. After that, present your results. Organize the data you collected using tables, charts, or graphs. Describe your main findings without interpreting them just yet. Stick to the facts and present them clearly. Next is the discussion section. Here, you interpret your results. Discuss whether your data supports your hypothesis and why. If there were any unexpected findings, explain them. Also, mention any errors or limitations that could have influenced your results. The conclusion summarizes the main points of your experiment. Clearly state the overall outcome and what you learned. You can also suggest improvements or areas for further research. Finally, include a references section. List any books, articles, or websites you used to gather information for your report. If necessary, add appendices for any extra material, like detailed data tables or calculations that are too lengthy for the main report. By following these steps, you will create a well-organized experimental report that effectively communicates your scientific work. This structured approach not only helps you present your findings, but also demonstrates your understanding of the scientific method, which is essential for success in high school science classes.